Good morning children, Joyadash here. Today we will do question number 4 of exercise 7.2. Exercise 7.2. Here the question is, it is a logical question. So see, in triangle ABC, angle A is equal to 30 degree, angle B is equal to 40 degree and angle C is equal to 110. And another angle PQR, angle P equal to 30 degree, angle Q angle P 30 degree, angle Q 40 degree and angle R 110 degree. A student says that triangle ABC congruent triangle PQR by AAA congruence. We have not discussed about AAA criterion, but a student has said that as the three angles are correspondingly equal to the other three angles of another triangle, so it may be AAA criteria. Is he justified? Why or why not? Now see boys, why it is not possible. Come to this triangle, triangle ACB. I have given one triangle, ABC, PQR. In triangle ABC, whatever the angles are given, it is in these two are rough sketch. See the triangle properly. One triangle is a big one and another is a small one, but the angles are same. The measurements are same. The angles are same measurement. Angle C 110, angle R 110, angle A 30, angle P 30, angle B 40 degree and angle Q also 40 degree. But children, can you say that angle PR, side PR is exactly equal to AC? No. That means though the angles are equal, but the triangles are not congruent. So what you have to write? You have to write no. AAA congruence criteria is not justified, as two triangles may have same angles in both the triangles, but the sides are not congruent. May not congruent. Sides are may not congruent. Then those triangles are not congruent. Understood? This is a logical question, so your answer will be this only. Next, question number 5. Come to question number 5. In question number 5, two triangles are given. In these two triangles, angle ART and WON are the two triangles given here. In these two triangles, so many things are congruent given. See, angle A mark is 2, angle O also same, because the marks are showing that these two angles are same. Angle R is equal to angle W, that means these marks are also same. Angle T is equal to angle N, because observe the mark. Also sides also given. Few sides are also given. Side AR is equal to WO. See the mark. I have marked two lines here. AR is equal to W and AT is equal to NO. Understood? Now, at this triangle, in the given figure, two triangles are congruent. The corresponding parts are marked. We can write RAT. Remember the congruence criteria when we are making this correspondence. Then R angle single mark. R angle will be coincide with W, angle A will coincide with angle O and angle T will coincide with angle N. Then R will be substituted by W, triangle W, R will be substituted by W, A will be substituted by O and T will be substituted by N. Therefore, the triangle will be triangle RAT congruent triangle CON. Which criteria you want to use? You can use, so many criteria are there. You can apply any one. Say if it is angle side angle, you can use angle side angle. So use angle side angle. Many criteria you can use here, but we are using any one criteria only. You need to write here. So you can write angle side angle, angle side angle, or you can use angle side, side angle side also, side angle side also you can use, side angle side, side angle side. You can use any one, but it should be correct. Come to next question. Complete the congruent statement. Question number 1 we will do today. Complete the congruent statement. In this figure, BTC is a triangle, but in between BA is there. BA, therefore that means two triangles are there, BCA, BTA. In triangle BC and BTA, BCA it will be congruent to which triangle? BCA. This side is equal to this side. See the marks, see the marking, see the marking. This angle is equal to this angle. So if you coincide, then B will be coincided with B, BC will be coincided with BT, and AC and AT also equal. Therefore, BCA triangle will be congruent to BTA triangle. Understood? The corresponding sequence also you have to use. Triangle BTA. But the congruent statement also you have to write here. Why you are writing this? You can use any criteria. Which criteria you want to use? Write it. Say in triangle BCA and triangle BTA, we have first of all you take BC, it is already given. See the mark, BC is equal to BT, BC is equal to BT, and BA common in both the triangle, because this triangle also use this BA side and make this triangle, and use this side BTA triangle also formed. So BA is common, BA is common, BA. We have to write the reason also. This one BCBT, it was given, already it was given. So I have to write given. BA used in both the triangles, so I can write BA is equal to BA, they are common. And angle CBA, see the marking, CBA is equal to TBA, this is also given. So we can write that this, which criteria we are using here, and side, angle side, this is common side. So side, this is a common side. So side, angle side criteria we are using here. So triangle BCA congruent triangle BTA by side, angle, side criterion. Side, angle, side criterion. I hope all of you understand. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the class also. Thank you, students.